Hey, have you ever wondered how you can turn your ideas into videos? Well, now you can. Simply go to flexclip.com and you'll go into the section where it says AI. Now over here you'll see a new tab called AI Video Generator. Now once you're at the landing page of AI Video Generator, it is really quite simple. Just hit the Generate AI Video. Now you'll be met with a new interface again. There's a few samples of what it can do, and it's so simplistic, a 5-year-old could do it. You basically gave it a prompt of what you want to create. Now once you have given the prompt, you have two modes, the standard and the professional. The difference is if you're going to do caricatures like actual people, use the professional. You have the aspect ratio and the duration of either 5 seconds or 10 seconds. Now this is a coin based operation system. In other words, you can use your coins. Over here I have my coins, and it tells me if I go for professional and 10 seconds I'm going to be using 70 coins. So let's do a real quick demo of what we can do. So I entered my prompt. Now if you don't know how to use the prompt or what prompt to use the prompt guide, but I will quickly describe to you how I set up my prompt. So the first thing, you have to give it very clear instructions. So I basically said identify the setting as a street at night and it's in the rain. So that's the subject, and the action is basically I want the girl dancing on the pavement. So now this is the action, and then I want to set the mood, like is it vibrant, cinematic, neo, is it glowing, dramatic. I add all these into the prompt, so I'm literally telling the system of what I want. And then the last thing I do, I suggest some type of camera movement, and I'm basically saying I want a slow panning movement, and this gives the AI really clear instructions exactly what you're after. Now let's have a look at the results. So Flexclip has now created my idea and put it to canvas, and let's have a look at the end result. Well, I'm quite impressed with that. It's exactly what I'm after, a young girl dancing in the street, neon lights with the wet rain, and it's slowly panning, and it's exactly what I'm after. So how about that? I came up with an idea and Flexclip manifested on my video, and this is a game changer. So if you ever get stuck with an idea and you need that in a video, well, worry no more, because Flexclip is here to help you.